Okay, today we're going to convert fractions to decimals. So we're going to start with 1/3. We're going to change that to a decimal. So remember, 1/3 means 1 divided by 3. So we're going to divide it. Top dog in the house. So 1 goes in the house. The number on top, the numerator, will go in the house. 1 is being divided by 3. And 3 will not go into 1, so we put 0, and we add a decimal, and we add a 0. Now 3 will go into 10 three times. 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract, and we get a remainder of 1. So remember, when you're changing a fraction to a decimal, you have to keep going until you don't have a remainder or you notice a pattern. So we'll add a 0, bring it down, because we have to keep going. 3 will go into 10 again 3 times, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we subtract, and we get a remainder of 1. So most of you should notice that we will continue to get a remainder of 1. So that 3 is going to just keep repeating. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And again, a remainder of 1. So once you notice your pattern, you can stop. So 1/3 is 0.3 repeating as a decimal. So you put whatever's repeating, a bar over whatever's repeating. That's called bar notation. So 1/3 converts to 0.3 repeating. Alright, now that we've changed our fraction to a decimal, now we want to look at changing it to a percent. So remember, percents are out of 100, but when you're changing a decimal to a percent, you just multiply by 100. You just move your decimal over twice. So 0.3 repeating, if I were to expand that out, the 3 it goes on forever and ever. And if I'm going to multiply by 100, it just moves my decimal over twice. So that would be 33.3 repeating percent. Now we normally don't like to have a repeating decimal like that in a percent, so we want to change it to a fraction. Well, we just know that 3 repeating is 1/3, so this is really 33 1/3%.